What's doing? Welcome back. It's been a while, but let's talk about the Dmax and get some upgrades. My Dmax is Stocko El Stocko, but Jess is going to change that, and we're going to do airbags. Now, the awesome team at Airbag Man have given me some airbags to fit. So these are a different style to probably normal airbags you see, where they go inside the actual coil spring. These sit in between the actual leaf spring and the chassis. So let's get the car up in the air and look how they fit and how they go in and what to do. So factory springs, obviously this is a Stocko car. The factory bump stops, which we're going to remove, and then this, if I can try and squeeze up in there, it probably won't fit. That will sit, the airbag will sit in here somewhat like that with the right bracketry, and then the airlines will come at the back and we can pump him up. So the reason for these, if you're towing or you have a heavy weight in the back, so if you have a big canopy on the back, fully loaded with all the gear, no idea, you need airbags. And if you are towing with all the gear and no idea in the back, you need airbags. Reason being, the stock springs aren't rated to carry more than 100 kilos or so in the back. I know they're rated a ton or whatever, but once you put weight in the back, that wheel arch comes down, that wheel arch goes up, and you're looking at the sky. So we put airbags in the back, and then that'll level the car out, and then you'll have a nice level load, nice and safe with all four tyres evenly on the ground. So I get asked a lot as well, what pressure should we put in the car when we're towing, when we're doing this, when we're doing that. There's no science to it. It's literally get the trailer on, pump the car up till it's flat, so then you don't have it up or have it down, have it nice and flat, and then see how it rides. Take a little couple of PSI out so it's got a nice soft ride there, so you're not throwing a spine at your back. And that's it. There's no real science to it. Just pick a pressure, depending on bags, up to 60 PSI. So just make sure you read the description, and then you can work out what level you need. Inside the box, your airbag, your airlines. They've also given some cutters as well, so that's awesome. You can cut your airlines nice and neat, and all your bracketry all ready to go. And then all your valves, bolts and nuts. So just will get up, get ready, and get stuff done. Oh. Right, so Jess has jumped the gun and installed one side already. So you can see it's all in there, but we'll go through now quickly and just show you what she's doing so you can see an idea of what happens. So just take the U-bolts out. We need to make sure obviously the diff's supported. Take U-bolts out, take the bump stop out, and she should be able to have all her contraptions ready to go.
One in, and this guy goes inside.
So there's an offset on the caliper bracket thing there, caliper bracket. There is an offset on the bracket there, so your airline goes inside, not outside the springs. And now she's fumbling because I'm filming.
It's just a little bit.
You just want those to hold that clip in place, and then that retains the bottom section, and you can ugga-dugga away to that many ugga-duggas. Then we've got a couple of spaces and some heat shields and things, and then a locator bracket to locate to the chassis.
I can get it in.
Red nails are optional. You don't need to use those if you don't want to.
They help.
They help, you reckon?
Yeah. Make you go faster.
Well, why are you going so slow?
It's fiddly. Where's my screwdriver?
I don't know.
Got shit everywhere.
Please hold. She's going fast. And then you can line up your little thread section in the hole. That goes in, and then we line up the top plate. And then basically that top plate needs to bolt to the chassis, which we can wind up and squeeze that up and get that in there. So once you've got the top plate plated in and bolted in, you can pull down your bag. Watch her try and do this. 2 hands. Oh, let's watch on that. See? Stress. Pull down and
inside bolt in. Fucking hell, can you hold the bag?
I can't hold the bag and the camera. I thought these red things made you go fast.
No, try and get your hand in there.
Probably easier without the red things.
Probably.
3 days later.
It's not stuck.
Oh my god. Please hold, we'll come back. So after having a hand with no red things, we got it on there.
That is not what happened. I still got it on there.
Nah.
Just held the bag down for me.
No red things.
Struggling. No.
Cool. Alright, bag is sort of temporary kind of in, but yeah, once we sort of tighten some things up, we can get airlines in. But yeah, that's basically your bag install, and then now the hard part is just running the airlines out through to the back, and yeah, getting it all locked away. So the airline's attached in the bottom there. You can run it around. You just basically find a route that works for you. And then we have our little bracket, which our airlines fit on here. So you can have left and right, and then you can, your trailers are right underneath it. So it's a perfect little location for it. Keeps them all secure. And just as literally putting that in there, you go push, locked it in. Very easy as that. And then you can basically run it to where you need to go, get your cutters and cut it where it needs to be, and you click it in the back of that one there. We do highly recommend using the proper cutters, so you get a nice cut, not a pair of scissors or a pair of pliers and you sort of get a bit of an angle cut, because then it will leak. This will cut it nice and square, and then it's super sharp. All right, so now Jess is going to do a leak test. So basically just pump it up. We can go a maximum of 60 PSI in these. So she can pump it up, and she also sprays a bit of bubbly water around all the fittings, just so you know they're not leaking before they go out. And we'll let that sit for a couple of minutes and just make sure there's no bubbles. So we just spray bubbles on all the fittings, just make sure there's no leaks. And we hold it for a couple of minutes there at 60 PSI. Then when you get the kit, you get a little cap which goes on the end, but you can use the other end of it. You can undo the valve, let it drain out slowly, or if you go on the other hole there, Jess, you just tap on it and push it in. Well, red nails are know what you're doing. Hold on the side, you can hold that out, you can let it out like that as well. So either, you can do small increments like this, nice and easy, or you can let it drain out like this on here. Now there are upgrade options. You can put compressors in, you can have in-car controls, you can have gauges, you can have remote sensors in the back so you know what they're doing and have it lit up inside the car. Heaps of options to do. Airbag Man will have it all online. We can supply, we can fit, we can ship out to you. So if you are looking at traveling, looking at carrying weight on the back, even if it's putting a motorbike trailer on the back and you want to keep it level, whatever that needs to be to keep that load level on the car, so you're not having the car up like this, pointing to the sky and having no traction on the front wheels, or you're just bouncing around carrying on airbags the way they go. So that's it. That's airbags and the Dmax all done. Super easy to do. It's about a 2-hour job, maybe 3 for your first time. They are pretty basic. I can show you on the other models where they go inside the coils, but yeah, similar sort of scenario, but same. That's it for this one. Hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.